Scene House by Studio Miti in Bangkok, Thailand. In the rural context, suburban Bangkok, the house is located face to the river. The house was designed for an extended family living together: grandmother, sister, brother, and his family. Therefore, the main condition of design is a spatial hierarchy of separated steps for divided private and public areas. Meanwhile, the step has generated a common space for all of them by overlapping space. The architect designed a plan with U-shape facing the open side to face the north for shading mass and used shadow for camouflaged interior space to be more private. The U-shape is an open plan to increase the cool temperature of the water. The slope degree of roofs is irregular shape due to catching the natural light from the sun to make a warm atmosphere at different times, following the orbit of the sun. Besides design, the tectonic was a concerning issue for the architect. The architect's endeavor simplifies the clashing of materials, wood, and traditional masonry wall. The materials were the main idea for construction. The sand plaster was traditional tectonic work along with the wood technique by a wooden solid wall and semi-solid wall, which allow wind to protect the sunlight inside nevertheless to interior space. The technically created architecture with light as an acrobat of shadow. The house was configured by artisans such as carpenters and bricklayers and worked along with the architect and the owner to make a delicate piece. Everyone has their own way to grow up and everyone has their own way of finding happiness.